The Nigerian Bar Association section on legal practice has held its 2023 annual conference in Abuja with the theme Legal Practice Without Borders. The conference is to explore the frontiers of organ donation and transplant under Nigerian law. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Ira reports.
The theme for this year's conference is Legal Practice Without Borders, with the focus of examining Nigerians' law in an ever-globalized and internationalized environment.
Legal practitioners are seen as the intermediaries between the people and justice, and as such must embrace honesty, transparency, and integrity. Section 2 of the Legal Practitioners Act protects the practice space and stipulates that lawyers must endeavor to be ethical and professional. Although they are at liberty to engage in cross-border charging of fees by determining whatever currency they deem fit, that should not be the motivation for their practice. To this end, a new code of conduct for legal practitioners is set to be launched in 2024 to fight corruption within the bar. This will help guide the practice of lawyers and ensure they do not fall short of the ethics of the profession. At this conference, lawyers will deepen their knowledge of globalization in the practice of law.
We don't need someone who simply read one course somewhere and because of the privilege of being in a regulatory agency, come to tell us about the fight against corruption. The fight against corruption is a legal fight, and only lawyers can fight that fight. And you and I are the ones that are positioned to fight that particular fight. So quit telling us that we are the ones standing on your way in the fight against corruption.
To critically examine the above topics for each of the sessions and share their knowledge with us. Other stimulating topics selected for this year's conference will be examined by eminent faculty, distinguished jurists, legal practitioners like yourselves, the academia, in subject matters.
We cannot stand alone and watch things deteriorate rather than this. We in the legal profession have a vital role to play as conscious of society and promoters of equality, fairness, justice, law, and order.
Legal Practice Without Borders interrogates the widening scope of the legal service market and lifts the veil on jurisdictional stonewalling. Celestina Ira, TVC News, Abuja.